Delta 4x4 posted a video on their YouTube channel demonstrating what an off-road beast the G-Class on Mattracks really can do by roaming through the Swiss Alps. The Bavarian tuner company is no stranger to radical off-road machines. The company has been modifying vehicles for all-terrain use since 1980, and the G-Class program is one of the latest projects. The base for what you see in the video is a Mercedes G500. This means 422 horsepower and 450 pound-feet from a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. On the road, this would translate into a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.6 seconds and a top speed limited to 130 miles per hour. To handle even more off-roading, Delta 4x4 has installed 50mm body lift kit and 50mm Eibach springs, resulting in the SUV being 3.94 inches taller. The G-Wagon has a number of accessories from Delta 4x4's vast parts catalog, including wider fender flares, and normally, bigger tires. Although this particular example, equipped as it is, hardly paints a picture of all the things the Bavarian tuner has available for the G-Wagon. The Mattracks, courtesy of Capricorn, which as you can see, makes short work of the snowy slopes of the Laax ski resort in Switzerland. To put things in perspective, the standard G500 has up to 9.5 inches of ground clearance, 27.6 inches of fording depth, as well as approach and departure angles of 31 and 30 degrees respectively. Those are only some of the standard G500's impressive numbers, and as you can see from the video, they have been greatly improved after Delta 4x4 and Capricorn went to did their magic on the Mercedes G-Class.